Should we listen to Hype today? Let's try out Hype.
Go for it.
Ooh,
Oh man.
it's about to get weird in here tonight.
Yeah.
Oh, this is gonna be an easy night if we get up there. So I just want to mark up the 4-hour low. Yep. Look at her go. Oh no, don't go yet. Yo, yo. This thing better slow down. Come on, girl. Wait, this is gonna be a lovely move tonight. We're going up.
Yeah.
I don't think I'm feeling this station.
Yeah. That's why I'm having flashbacks over here.
Yeah. Did you have a nice day at work, young man?
It's alright.
Nice.
We get it tomorrow off for Fat Tuesday, so
Ooh.
yep. A little local holiday, so that's nice.
Nice. Oh, you got the day off tomorrow?
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
Yep. I think it's supposed to be raining though, so I'm not gonna go downtown. I ain't getting in the middle of that. Did you trade London this morning? I mean not London, but New York.
Nope. No, I just kind of slept in. Yo, what up, Hips Don't Lie? It's been a minute. What up, Mario? Alamo, thanks for coming. What up, Manuel? First one here. Okay, I see you. You know what? Feeling giving today. Don't let me down, Manuel. Don't let me down. What up, Shlee? GA buys is what we're looking at. So buys once we get above here. Once spread is dropped, obviously, and then we'll take it up. Got almost a 30 pip range, so I think it's gonna be a good one. We got not really. I think there's just JPY up, so we just got JPY. Okay, it's so nice to be able to just like, oh, let me click on a new tab. Oh, wow, it's showing me what is on this tab. Oh, it's so nice. Alright, so I'm just gonna monitor the 15. Yeah, we're gonna go up. Spread's super high right now. And then the only way I see sells is if we break below the 4-hour low. So right there. But we got a bullish hourly close. So should be heading up.
Oh, GJ's about to die. Oh, die, bitch, die. What's it do?
Yeah, I got a 6.5 pip spread right now in GA. What up, Sebastian? UJ Sells, okay. Been in GJ for a few hours. Okay. 7 likes though? Come on now. We're better than that. 70 people, 7 likes. Come on now. Morning, Doug. Or evening, in my case. But yeah, once spread calms down, buys is gonna be the move. Oh shoot, I gotta send the Zoom link everywhere else. I fucked up. Yeah, if anyone wants Zoom link, whoop, nope, shoot me a DM. No, I don't want to join the Zoom. I just want to copy. There we go. Shoot me a DM. Forgot to send it to Rakil's group. Whoopsies. I wonder if it's gonna work. Let me make sure it works. Yep, sweet. I want to leave. There we go. Whoa. Alright, so I sent it to Telegram, I sent it to Slack, Discord. Okay, and then everyone on Instagram. Alright, I'm trying to picture today instead of having to type it. Yep, sending it out now, guys. Not feeling the hype one, to be honest. What about upbeat?
Right.
I think the picture idea is gonna work. The spread's kind of calming down. Yeah, I'm not really feeling this one either.
What's that?
this.
Oh, station.
Yeah, I'm gonna just keep it on the pop one.
Might as well.
Laborgo, I'm thinking buys, bro. I am thinking buys. Nope, I did not take any buys yet. Yep, you know the deal, Orgo. Buys once we break those highs. Kind of rhymes, too. Yep. Noah.
Yo, Paul, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Oh, cool. So what time is it where you're at now?
5:08. So Asian Open in 52 minutes.
Yeah. It's 10 a.m. here.
Okay. That's not too bad. That's like a good time to be getting up. Be looking
Yeah,
at
it's cushy.
Yeah, it's real cushy.
I'm in doing this like clinical trial at the moment, so it's just twiddling my thumbs a lot of the time.
Gotcha.
Yeah, like
What up, London? What up, Frankie? If you want to, London, yeah. Oh, you got 2 accounts in here. Oh, yeah. If you want to buy the support, you can. I'm gonna wait till we get above, but these will definitely be some like super premium buys. I want more confirmation that we're gonna go to the upside because there's those wicks on the 4 hour, but the previous 4 hour is bullish, which is good. But yeah, I mean, yeah, it did make a higher high above those wicks, so I do think we should still go up, but gotta respect the support first. So as long as we don't break these wicks right here, I think we should be okay. We'll probably get the move at like 5:30, 5:45, like 15, 30 minutes before open.
What up?
Yo,
Well,
that's not even you. Yeah, there's another pop up for London, bro.
Oh damn! I didn't even notice this. You got the zoom all good with the chart.
Yes, sir. Bought a new desktop.
Hey, look at you moving up in the world there, Paul.
Slowly but surely, making all this bank with YouTube. Like
Oh yeah.
$8 a day.
Man, bro, come on, share it with the rest of us, dude.
yeah.
That's sick though.
Yeah, and it runs pretty good. On my computer, even with all this shit up, my computer still runs faster than my old one that had no programs open.
So yeah, there's no lag on the zoom then. It's right away for us, right?
Yeah, that'll be delayed, or no delay for Zoom, 30 seconds for YouTube.
Yeah, that's not bad.
Is anyone in here looking at gold? No?
No.
No. Cool. Cool.
Wow, what do you see?
I'm seeing a potential short for like 20, 30 pips.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, it's just broken the low of the previous kind of zone it was just in. It's been respecting the 1600, 3-5 area.
You
So
targeted?
just waiting.
Oh, I'm sorry, go ahead.
Now I'm just waiting for this 15-minute close. So if it closes below the previous bodies before, looking at just a quick in and out for about 20
Sure.
pips easy. That's easy. Looking at that.
Like 1653 area?
Yeah,
I gotcha.
like, nothing too greedy because it's pushing hard up. So I'll just be in and out. I don't need to be trading. It's just so I can get my day in for this this challenge thing. Size of this candle though, Jesus. It's like 15 minutes. It's like a 90 wick candle, 90 pip
On GA or gold?
gold.
Oh.
Jeez. Yeah, I just don't trust me. I don't like the look of GA or GPY or anything at the moment. It just looks. I'm not sure because that 19586 area is respecting. So I'm just not sure about buys. Okay, right. Into short guard, I think.
Oh wow, we closed below there.
saying. Looks better in my eyes just for a short rather than a buy. But I don't know. I find GA at the moment just really frustrating.
Yo, what up, Tim? Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if I trout. Okay, now we broke the low of 30. Did we break the hourly too? Oh yeah, just about. Yeah, MT4 just about broke it. Oh, my MT4 1 hour? This 1 hour candle on MT4 is bearish. Yeah, it still made a high though, so I think once we get a higher low, it'd be better to buy a support here once it breaks a high and take it up, or wait for it to do something down here.
Yeah. I think GA is just going to actually fall now. I don't know if it's too late now. But I don't know if you've noticed as well in the Asian session, GPY and GA move opposite. Well, they have been the past like couple weeks. Something I've noticed.
Oh, who's playing the drums? Come on now. Oh shit, yeah. What were you saying? Whoever was talking, if you unmute your mic, you can finish what you were saying.
Alright, sorry.
Yeah, no, someone just had background noise. I just had to mute it. That's all.
Yeah. I was saying I've noticed in the Asian session, primarily just the Asian session, like GJ and GA move completely opposite to each other.
Sometimes, yeah.
Yeah. I didn't notice that before.
Yeah, I
It's
wouldn't.
only been like the past couple of weeks.
Yeah, I wouldn't use it as like a confirmation for anything.
Definitive.
Yeah.
It's like the other week I was really wanted to enter some longs on GJ, but GA was moving down, and I was, I don't want to be buying and selling the same pair,
Yep. Yeah, I still think GA is gonna go up until it breaks the low of that 4 hour.
Yeah.
Because that bullish 4 hour candle, the previous, it made a high above the previous 2 wicks. So I think this is just winding down to then wind up.
Yeah, I know. It seems to be really respecting that 9585 area on the 4 hour. Like, it's tapped it 4 times. I find if it does come back up, if it taps it a fifth and doesn't break above, I reckon it will push down, because it's broken out of that upward channel as well on the 4 hour. So I reckon it's gonna potentially move down, but we'll see. This is what I don't like about GA at the moment. It's just too many kind of fake outs going on.
Yeah, that's why if we get a close above, we'll be above the previous 4 hour, and then we'll go up.
Yeah.
If we break below the bullish 4 hour, then then we're probably gonna head down. I
Yeah.
just don't. I mean, on the
What's
hourly,
it?
if we get below here, that looks good right there. But
Yeah.
I mean, if we're looking on the 15-minute for clean traffic, I mean, I see right here, this area we just tapped into would be clean to here, but this is that 4 hour low area, and I don't want to trade into that.
I reckon it'll push all the way down, you know, to that, because it's potentially making like a triple bottom or something because whenever it falls, it seems to fall just to the 19522 area. So I reckon that'll be my kind of, if it does close, if this closes now, I reckon I might potentially look at shorts, but I'm not sure. I'm in shorts and gold at the moment, so I'm just waiting on that one. I've got a short on GU from yesterday still running. That was a good trade. So all my trades yesterday all ran into massive profit, and that's why I passed that challenge like in a day, which is perfect.
Thanks, Joseph. If that was towards me. So this level could form that support. 95550 could be where we get a support to take us back up.
So I'm not sure if I'm feeling biased on GA, because if I'm looking at GN as well, that looks to be still pushing down. And they pretty much run parallel to each other. I'm just not sure.
Yeah, I mean, we'll do whatever it ends up giving us is what we'll do. I'm just not on board with sells yet. What up, Gerzat?
Yeah.
It's got to break the previous 4 hour low for me to change my bias.
Yeah.
Which it could, but if it does that, even everything to the left is just super ugly. So
Yeah.
I'd prefer buys. It'll be a nicer move if it goes up.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, you didn't miss much this morning either, Paul. I got up and didn't see anything at all. There's goat shit all day.
Oh yeah, I posted it on my story. I took a screenshot of GA. It was just fucking garbage. It was basically just get a sell in somewhere and hope it doesn't retrace when you get in.
Yep, I was looking at GJ. I think the exact trade that Rakil took, but I just wasn't fully confident in it, so I didn't take it. So I just sat there and just drank a cup of coffee and relaxed.
That's what you gotta do.
Yeah.
Ooh, GJ buys. Ooh.
Yeah.
This looks much nicer.
Yeah, I was just about to say, I'm about to pull up GJ as well.
Yep, yeah, this is gonna be way better. Yep. Yeah, I don't like sells on GA.
Oh yeah. See, this is where I feel like I've been getting a little bit stuck, like in my trading. Is like we're at a top resistance now. Like I feel like what I would do is I'd wait for like it to break, and then I'd either have like a buy stop in, or I'd wait to put a market order in, and then it would end up like coming back like all the way. You know what I mean?
Yes and no. I know what you mean, but that it doesn't happen to me anymore. So like, what can you just go more in depth on, like when it happens and whatnot?
Yeah, I'll try to find like an example, but like for example, say for this one here, like if I'm on the 30 minute, like we really had that wick that kind of popped up a little bit.
Yep.
See, it popped up. I don't know. Let me see how many pips that is from the previous. It's probably like two. It's almost 3 or 4 pips above the other candles. Say I placed like I know for example that I put like a buy stop in on a couple pairs last week, and I put it like 4 pips, and it would literally get triggered and then come all the way back down on a next 15, and then it would continue to run up. Like for this one, this 15 is gonna see like so it broke, but did it really like break that area? I guess that's my question. Like how far will this 15 run down where we can take like a safe buy because it's technically already broke. You know what I mean?
Well, I mean, if you look at the 15-minute, it didn't break anything yet.
Yeah, other than a wick.
Yeah, I mean the wick broke it, which technically does fit like my rule for a break. But this 15 closed with no top wick below here. So once this did push above, I wouldn't have taken that because of that 15-minute.
Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, I think I need to wait for the retracement a lot more for my trades to get a much better entry.
Yeah, I mean if the buy stop entering when it breaks above or breaks below doesn't work for you, then just wait for what works for you. So I think that'll be a good target right around there. Looking like GA is kind of respecting that support. Yeah, I was just putting a pending in on GA just in case it does pull up, but I'm gonna focus on GJ for the evening. I mean, that's a bullish 30-minute with a higher wick. And so it might form a support or bounce off of that, yeah. I mean, you could take a buy off that previous 30-minute. I think that would make sense, but I think we'll be better off once we get above. Four hours bullish. So here's our low for our bias change.
So Paul, how come you don't trade gold?
I don't know. Short answer, I just don't.
Yeah.
No reason. I feel like it's too aggressive for me. But maybe I'd be super good at gold because it's so aggressive with my style, but
Yeah.
what I'm doing now works really well, so I don't see any reason to go do anything different.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah, no, I used to get so frustrated with gold. Like last year, I just didn't know how to trade it. And then this year, past 6 months, I've been like really homing down on it, and I find it like one of the easiest, because it's just when it moves, it's very clear, and it really respects areas as well. So
Yeah.
it's one of my favorites. Like, and then the past couple of weeks, GA's been one of my favorites, but now I'm with this new broker. The spreads are just a bit not crap, but like they're good on everything. But GA is about 3 pips. But
It's only high in
gold is
Asian.
like-
It's only high in Asian session. I mean, for me,
Yeah.
on GA and Asian, it's like 1.8 to like 2.3. But in London
Yeah.
and New York, it's always under a pip.
Oh, for real? I
Mhm.
don't think mine's ever under a pip on with these guys. But gold for me is like not even a pip. It's like 0.3 of a pip.
Oh, jeez, that's always nice.
And GJ, what's GJ? GJ's about a pip. But yeah. So this broker is really good for gold and like everything apart from GA.
Hey Paul, have you ever opened a demo on LMFX?
Yeah, I have one that I use for doing those simulations.
Are your spreads still like around 1 to 2 pips for DJ and stuff?
I've never looked at it on a live account, but I want to say yes.
It depends what kind of demo you open. You can open different types of demos. Like you can open a variable demo. You can open an ECN demo. It just depends on the demo you open. So to answer your question, yes. If you open an ECN account that has the low spreads, then it should.
All right, I'll check it out because I opened a demo for LMFX and like all today, the spread for GJ is 3 pips, and the spread for GA is 4 to 5. So
Let me see.
I think it was also session times too. Did you check during like New York?
I did not.
Yeah, that's probably why. I've noticed during the day they actually get a little bit higher.
You know what?
Happy about is I get to have gold as an option because on MT5 on the demo I had on there, gold had like a 20 pip spread at all times.
Okay.
20.
I'm thinking I might take a buy on this.
Jeez.
Yeah, so I couldn't even touch it. Like not even for like swings or anything. That's just too big.
You know what? I lied to you. I was thinking about Trader's Way. Trader's Way does that. LMFX does not. So I lied.
Okay, yeah, because I mean when I signed up to the demo, I guess there was no like difference in option. It was just one. It just gives you a login and an ID before.
Yeah, there's not. I'm tripping. I'm thinking about Trader's Way.
I kind of think taking a buy here makes sense. Yep.
Yeah.
And
But if you look at the 5 minutes as well, I'll probably wait for the next 5 to close bullish, and then I think you'd be good for buys because it's just rejected. So I use a 50 EMA, SMA, sorry, and I find especially like GJ and GA, they really respect that. On the 5 minute, it's just pinged off that, formed like a nice pin bar on there.
Why won't it put my fucking trick? Come. I hate when this fucking app lags. Or the fucking trading panel. So I have 2 positions in, but I can only see one of them. Seriously? Come on.
Yeah, I really wish they offered MT5. MT4 is no good.
Well, it won't just like, why is it fucking doing this? Like, just show me my fucking trade. It shows one of them, it won't show the other. Figures. Piece of fucking garbage. Awesome.
For GJ, I'm just waiting to see how this hourly closes and if break the previous 30-minute high. But just letting y'all know, there's like a lot of 4-hour resistance and support around 143.34. So I'm probably gonna, if I enter a buy, I'm gonna take profits there.
It's only showing me one of my trades. I'm a piece of shit. Fucking garbage. So I gotta do it on my fucking phone. I hate technology sometimes.
No, you
Never
don't.
wants to fucking cooperate. Like, why is it showing me one but not the other? That's so disrespectful.
It was crazy yesterday how like Asia was so slow, and then as soon as London hit, the whole market just exploded.
Well, this was definitely an early entry for me. Oh my god. Not even worried about the trade. I just hate when I can't fucking see them. Cool. Piece of trash. Yeah, I got you, Gurjat. Oh shoot, I got 4 DMs. Come on, fill that wick and go. That's what I'm anticipating. Thanks for the share, Michael.
Is there?
Yeah, that makes sense. Like I said, this was definitely an earlier entry for me. More than earlier than normal. But man, I'm really salty. I can't see my trade. I just think that wick, since it broke above like that, once it pushes up, and if it pushes up and fills it, it'll continue to move from there. So, well, yeah, I mean, there's 3 pips. Oh shoot, I didn't even put the... You're gonna fucking lag? Come on. It's so weird. Why won't it show me my trades? Okay. Come on, fill that with, baby. Let's get it.
What up, guys?
Yo, yo.
What's going on?
Tired today, man.
You work all day?
Yeah, I work early in the morning, like 4 a.m.
Ooh.
Whereabouts are you? Where it's 4 a.m.
Pardon me?
So yeah, it's right at the resistance on 5 minutes, so we'll see what happens. Oh, alright, I broke the high of one 5 minute. It's going to break the high of the other one, hopefully. Yeah, I broke
It's
the high of
definitely
that.
going up.
It
Yeah.
should go.
Yeah, it should fill the wick and continue.
Like if you look at the 5 minute, it's clear as day.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm up 5 pips. It's about to break the high of that 15.
That's what I'm waiting for it to break the high.
Mm-hmm.
Why did you decide to enter early today?
It just looked super good. And this one made a high above all of this. So I figured this one, once it kind of made some support here on the 5 minute and it started to push up, I figured I didn't take a trade yet today, so I'll throw my first opportunity in.
Like, you like dropped down to 5 minutes, saw that it was creating like a
Yep. Yeah, but I
very
mean,
low.
it was based off of that previous 30 minute close. Just, I've seen
Yeah.
it push up and fill the wick like that before. So, and 4 hours bullish. So I have a bullish bias. So I was just thinking, I'll throw my first trade of the day in there, see what happens.
GA is going down.
GA is still dropping.
Yep.
Yeah, I got that buy stop in case it does decide to ever come up.
I'm not touching GA until it breaks those 2 lower wicks on the 30 minute.
I just feel bad because I can see Iron Man always saying buy gold, but I'm selling it.
Come on, pop up in 2 seconds. Don't close right there. I mean, so it closed and made support, but it didn't get above yet.
Yeah, I'm still not in this yet. Waiting
Yeah.
to see what happens.
Or did you pass your exam this time?
I have not retaken it again. It's a long story. I will explain it in the future. Yeah, no, I don't want to.
Yeah.
I don't want to talk about it on stream or say get any.
Yeah.
Ooh, she 5 minutes pushing. Come on, girl. Let's go. Come on, break that high. Break that previous 15 minute and then it'll run. Damn, it was so close.
G.
Damn it, I got both of them in at 177, so I don't know which one to close probably the top one maybe, or close the bottom one and see if that one stays. Yeah, I'm hoping this thing will just pop and go.
It's going to. Because even the 1 hour looks clean.
Yeah, if it breaks that 30-minute, I think it'll run real nice. Oh, there we go.
You
Yep,
I
there's.
entered.
I got 7 pips.
My target is 14334.
Okay, I'm gonna close 10 and then let it go up to 400 here for my runner, kind of like right at that wick. Yo, you buy on EJ, okay. TP 143.34. Yeah, if that's where you want to take it, that makes sense. I'm gonna close once I hit 10 pips. If I hit 10 pips, so I'm up 6 with my commission. Oh, okay, there we go. 7. Yeah, it's just got to get a little bit higher above that wick, and then I think it'll give a nice move up that wick to the left.
Yeah, I think it would just do what GJ does and just blasts up.
Yeah, that's kind of what I'm. That's why I
That's
took it
broken out.
early, in anticipation of that happening. Alright, I'm just gonna press BE on this one, and then I'll know which one it is.
Here we go. Here we go.
It's going.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, GA's down too.
Oh shit, let's go, baby. Alright, I'm gonna set BE on whatever this is, and then I'll know which position is that break even. Oh, that one. Okay, perfect. Alright, I have. Oh, I didn't close it in time. No. He pulled back on me. I was just about to secure.
Oh.
Jeez, God's moving crazy at the moment. Literally entered 2 minutes ago, or 5 minutes ago. I'm already up 20 pips.
Damn. GJ just retraced. Like a little. You know what. I'm sitting at about 7 pips. I got one of them. I got my runner at break even already, and the other one I can't see, so I'm just gonna close that one if it does return back. Otherwise, I'll close that once I hit 10. If we hit 10, I don't know why it's not just going. Getting close to open.
This is like the exact example that I was talking about, Paul. Like, I mean, I don't think this will retrace back, but if it does, like, I put a buy stop above. Like, I put it at 260.
260. Oh, okay, on MT4, I got you.
Yeah, I just wanted it to be above those wicks, and then it kind of tapped into it, and so hopefully this will go. So I'm in the trade.
I think it's gonna go up. It just, I was expecting it to go a little quicker.
It's made the top wick now for the hour, so the player won't push up any higher now.
Mm-hmm.
So
Yeah,
next hour will push up.
I mean, my stop loss is below.
Just look.
I mean, at break even, so I'm hoping it'll go up a little higher.
Won't be doing any more buy stops if that happens.
Yeah, I'm gonna set both of them at break even, and then if it comes back, stops me out, and then closes above, then I'll just take another entry. I'm gonna go to the bathroom real quick. Or maybe I won't. Yeah, I'm gonna go pee.
I don't see anything stopping this from retracing back down all the way.
No, I don't think it'll go all the way. I think the lowest it will go will be.
As I say, I think you're right about. Sorry.
Jesus.
I think it just because it's like the ending of the hour.
Yeah, and if you look at the 5 minute, it's clearly closed above
Yeah, I mean,
That-
5 minutes
Yeah.
retesting now,
the
but
resistance area. So
man, that thing tapped into 10 pips. If my freaking trading panel wasn't being a piece of shit, I would have been able to close one at 10. But I was just setting the one that is showing at break even, and I couldn't close it fast enough on my phone. So now they're both at break even.
I wouldn't worry. It's going to push up in the next hour for sure.
Yeah, but
It's
how
showing
far
all
is it
the
gonna
signs.
how far is it gonna wick down though is the question.
Yeah.
I think it might wick down, but overall it's gonna go up.
Yeah, I gotta get better with my fucking entries, dude. Fucking every damn time, dude, it just rips down.
It's moved like 3 pips.
I entered right when it broke the previous 15, like the top wick. I entered up high too.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, it's only down 5 pips right now. It's okay, but still. I just gotta get better at like securing like better entry points, so that way they don't go into DD right away.
I mean that's just part of the game. I mean sometimes you're gonna enter and boom, take profit and you're out in a second. Sometimes you sit through an hour drawdown and then boom, you hit take profit in a second. You just gotta know that, or be comfortable enough with your entry that you know that it fit everything you wanted to see. No matter what it does after, doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Because 5 minute could flip right here and run up. So
Yeah, no, I was more comfortable taking it above. So.
yeah, so then just let it do its thing. I mean, we got really nice clean traffic, so it could be it'll be greater than your stop loss getting hit if you hold it long enough. So, well,
Yeah,
5 minute
hopefully-
broke the high of the previous one that retested, so it might give us a little push in the last 5. Oh fucker, never mind. Spoke too soon.
Yeah, I think Asian's opening in like 5 minutes also, so I don't think.
Yep.
I think it might wick down, but overall it's still going up.
Hmm.
I don't think there's too much to worry about.
I mean, my stop's at 143.177, so
1 second.
I've got 3 trades on the go at the moment. They're all in profit. Happy days.
Yep. Yeah, I'm up 6 pips right now.
God's pushing down. Come on. Keep going.
Come on, 5 minute. Run up. Oh, nope, broke the high now, okay. 5 minute might give us a little sauce right at the end here. Oh yeah. Here she comes.
There you go.
Had a girl. Keep going. Oh, fucker retraced again.
There you go. Fuck.
Yeah, it's like, yes, no, shit.
Fuck.
Like secured. Thank you, David.
Got 40 pips on gold right now.
Ooh,
Nice.
Savage.
Come on, 2 more pips. Let's get it, baby. Oh, 1 more. Juan more. Come on, Juan. Juan more. Come on. Shit's playing around. Whoop. Whoop.
There we go. We're finally in blues.
There we go.
Lego.
There we go. Come on. 1. Alright, there's 10. And I might break even. Let's go. Just going to target. Excuse me. Yeah, I'd like to see the 15-minute push up and close above this 320 area, because there's a little bit of resistance there. Oh yeah, it's about to just push above it, hopefully. So that was my actual entry at 177, so. Hopefully we'll get some volume and take it up. Come on, baby. Run it up. Let's go.
It wants to go.
Yep.
Yeah, that was like a really fucking quick 5-minute retest.
Yeah, I'm hoping volume will give us a nice push and not a pullback. Because we didn't even tap into the 15-minute resistance at 320 yet. So
So even out on gold with how many pips is that? 50 pips.
There you go, Wix. Nice job. Move buys to BE. I am there with you. Hopefully I don't get stopped out. Damn, I thought I was just gonna run right away.
It's probably just making a wick for the hour.
Yeah. Yeah, no, Pablo, I got you. As soon as the trade's over, I always mark up the chart and I like mark the chart and save it in my trading journal live for you guys. I mean, it's for me, but you guys get to see me do it. So as soon as the trade's over, I will do that. Yeah, 5 minutes already wicked down and pushing up now, so I'm hoping it'll continue and sustain above that level we just broke. Ooh, come on, baby, run. Oh, she's above everything out.
It's going straight off that. 4
Yep.
2.
She's going up now.
Yeah. 2 2. There we go. Yeah.
Come on, baby.
Look at
Let us
this
go.
rocket ship. Flying so high.
Let's go, girl.
What? Oh.
And he wants to hit my TP.
Yeah, I'm
He's
taking
teasing
it at
me
that
right
wick to the left on the 30-minute. Yeah, so I'm going to take mine around 384. So pretty much right where that green box is if we get there. Maybe it'll rocket past it before I can close it in time. Because I think it could head up to like 500 area.
Yeah, that's kind of what I was thinking.
Yeah.
At the 530 ish.
Mhm. Yep.
530.
Exactly.
I'm gonna just keep a runner open for that. And break even. If it goes, he goes. If it doesn't, oh well.
Yep. Yeah, my runner's at break. This is my runner right now. I break even, so I'm gonna take it at that wick and be good.
He's right there.
I'm hoping it'll pop up really aggressive way past my target, and I'll get lucky and get a few extra. Oh wow.
Classic.
What the fuck, dude?
5 minutes kind of retesting, it looks like. Excuse me. Yeah, 5 minutes pulling right back up. Might have just grabbed a bunch of orders to drive it up pretty hard. And boom, 300 pips. Damn it. I really thought that was going to work. 6 pips in profit. There you go, Doug. Or TMG. Did you secure anything yet, Mike? Did you get to 10?
Yeah, I secured a little bit. I didn't get fully 10, but
Yeah, the 5 minute retrace pretty damn hard.
yeah, damn, dude, this is crazy.
Yeah.
I was just watching the 5 minutes. As soon as that bearish one formed, it went like halfway down. I took profits.
You closed on this 5 minute that came down?
Yeah, this one currently.
Mm.
It could go back up, but like right now, it's already at my entry because I had that stop.
Mm-hmm.
I want to work on the entries a little bit this week and just not focus on those buy and sell stops because it's hard to get pips out of those. I feel like.
Yeah, I mean, it's not everything's gonna work for you the same it does for me. No, Carl. I
Sometimes
normally
I can sit in
trade.
a drawdown also.
I normally trade GA, Carl, but GJ looked better for buys. So then I stuck with GJ for the night. And I thought this thing was gonna run a lot better.
I'm telling you, man, look at the 4 hour to the left where the top wick went to. There's like an unbelievable amount of resistance to the left.
It didn't.
Oh
it didn't.
yeah. If you scroll left, yeah.
Yeah, that's so far away though. I mean, that could make it come down, but I mean, that's too far away for me.
You could be looking at something on GA pretty soon here once it hits that bottom support.
Yeah, I was kind of peeking at it.
Yeah, I've been kind of flipping between these two all night, but GA's looking like it's gonna come down to that area really soon here. Yeah, GG's has got those real strong 5 minute candles I've noticed.
In terms of what?
In terms of just like, seems like larger retracements compared to like GN and GA.
Yeah,
I don't know if you've noticed that too. It's just like, yeah, it might pop up real quick, but then like the next 5 minute will pop like right back down like 7-8 pips and then pop right back up and it'll continue doing that.
Yeah, I mean that's just how candles move though. You just gotta. I mean, if you're looking at the 5 minute on GJ, we didn't break the low of the previous 5 minute yet. I'm hoping we don't because it has that nice kind of liquidity wick to drive up. But, I mean, candles move up and down. Sometimes they move nice. Sometimes, I mean, a 30-minute candle could literally be a pip from your stop loss the entire time. And then in the last 30 seconds, it pops up 30 pips and you hit your target. It's just kind of... It's like as long as you're trading the same confirmations every time, no matter what it does during the candle, the end result should still get you to the same area. But a GJ does kind of screw around sometimes, more than other pairs. But yeah.
All right, so I have the new rule. Whenever I hit take profit on a trade, I'm closing the chart, so I'm going to go ahead and log off, so I'm not tempted to overtrade or anything like that.
I like it.
Man.
See y'all later.
Take it easy, bro. Good stuff.
I mean, this could just be the retest candle, so. I still think it should go fill that wick up to the left right there, that bearish one, because I don't think it should have an issue till there. Or I mean, there could maybe be a little issue at. Okay, that's why we're having an issue on the 15 minute. We tapped into that 320 area, so. We tapped into this. That's why we're having a little bit of an issue. So as long as this support is going to be stronger than this and we have momentum, we should end up busting up once we find support. And if once we get above this little bearish candle, which we didn't get above fully. I think once we get above, we'll be good.
Jumped out gold too early. Hit my TP. I was like, nah.
Yeah, on the
It's
5
fine.
minute for GG, I think it's just retesting.
Yeah, same.
Because I'm still on the trade. I was like a pip away.
Yeah, I'm up 10 pips, 11 pips just right now. I think it'll continue. I think that area we just broke out of is going to be stronger than kind of what we're going into because the 30 minute and the hour and the 4 hour are super clean. So I think it's just going to take a 15 minute, a little bit of time to just kind of bust through it, and then we'll continue moving up. I think once we get above that bearish candle, I think it'll be smooth. I'm hoping this 15 will close above it. Excuse me. Holy cow, GA is dead. Wow.
Yeah, I'm in some shorts on there as well. Shorts and GA, shorts and GU, buying
Nice.
GJ,
Nice.
and sold gold.
For
So
GA,
good.
I would.
Wow. Yeah, this thing's
For
trying to
GA.
move now. Come on, close above that area and then popping now. Come on, get above that bearish wick. You can do it. We believe in you. Oh, it's right there. It's right
Monster.
there. It's right there. And it's above. Let's go. We're going to the moon. Oh, come on.
TP hit.
Yeah, just about. I'm up 16.8, 16 pips. Yeah. As long as we close above, I think we'll be okay.
Oh, it's going.
Mm-hmm.
Don't retrace back.
I was hoping it was going to pop once we got above.
It's just making a wick for the 15 minute now. That looks a bit.
GJ's been like pop, psych, pop, psych,
Yeah.
pop, psych.
It doesn't move like GA does exactly.
Yeah.
Because when GA breaks highs like that, it normally jumps up 5 or 6 pips. Sometimes 10 to 15 if it's feeling lucky. All right, close above. We should run.
Yeah, I really like GA for a buy if it comes back down into that support and we see bullish activity.
As long as it doesn't break the low of the previous
Yeah.
4 hour, I think it'll be buys.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking forward to.
I think it'll be
It's following an
a
uptrend.
definite buy from there. Like you can see that it's tapped that area so many times and it always comes back up to around that 958 area. It's easy trade that by the looks of it.
Come on, GJ, just run up. Come on.
You don't think there's a little bit of an issue right there, Paul, because you kind of came into that wick that you were looking for on the left?
No, we closed above. I'm expecting it to go fill that wick.
Like the bigger wick you're talking?
The bullish one, yep.
Okay.
Because if you look on the 30 minute, it looks a lot cleaner. But the 15 minute closed above that area, so I think we should keep going.
Oh yeah, the 30 minutes a lot better, you're right.
I mean, the hourly is even better than that, and the 4 hours is even better than that, so.
Yeah, that's right.
Wow. Since market open, gold has dropped almost 200 pips.
Holy cow. Come on, baby, run it. I'd anticipate this to be that, like, gladiator muscle candle. What the hell is going on with this thing now? Oh, now it wants to show me my trades. Oh, wow, 17, okay. It's showing me my trade now. Let's go. I can close my phone. 3 more pips. Come on, girl. I think if it gets above, it'll get a nice little push again.
Jeez. GA is falling.
Mm-hmm. Oh, one more. Come on, pop it. Damn it, it got to like 18.9. Little shit. 5 minute broke above. It closed above that little resistance. I'd expect it to continue. Yeah, there's not even any 5 minute resistance till that wick. So. Oh, 20.2, I'm out. Let's go, baby. I held it to target. Yes. And now it's going to run 30 more pips.
Damn, well done, bro.
Yeah, it's going to...
My
I
ticket
think
is about to be hit.
I think it's going to get past
Mine
this
too.
wick, but I didn't want to get up 25 pips and then it retrace and feel like a fucking moron for not closing 25 pips. Yeah, it's past it. It'll go.
My runner TP just got hit.
Beautiful. Let's
Done
go,
for
baby.
the day.
Just think about it, we've walked out the market with money, so most people don't.
Beautiful.
That was a perfectly planned trade, Paul.
Thank you, sir.
I used the knowledge I learned from you, let it break the high, and took it.
Yeah, even once it broke the high, I mean, it kind of pulled back like 5 or 6 pips, but you gotta, if you go, I mean, this is what I've done, and that's why I feel confident when, like, no matter what it does in the trade, is if you go, I mean, here, we'll do it right here. All right, so we'll start right here. So this candle, you're trading down. It broke the low here. We're not going to count this because, actually, let's look left. Okay, so yeah, you do have clean traffic here. So this would obviously be a stupid trade, but just for the point of what I'm trying to do, we broke the low here. If you close 10 pips and go break even, you probably would have ended up getting stopped out on that one. Okay, we break the high of this one. You clearly got 10 pips. Break the high of this one. You got 10. Broke the high. Broke the high. Broke the high. All right. This one. This would be a stupid trade to trade if you broke the low, but you lost. So that's what, like, 1 loss and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 wins, 1 loss. Broke the low here. You probably could have got 10 there. Pretty close. But you see the point I'm trying to make? We broke the high here. We went up. Broke the high, went
Yeah.
up. Broke the high, went up. Broke the low, came down. Broke the low. Like, you just got to know that it could break the high, come all the way back down, and sit right here for 29 minutes and 30 seconds. In the last 30 seconds, it pushes up to here. So if you're trading with the momentum too, you're going to have that on your side as well. So you just got to look at it like that. When they do break lows and highs, if you're trading the right direction with momentum, it's probably going to just keep going in your direction. Like, so this one right here, this one candle, you would have lost on. Possibly, maybe. Let me see. So let's say you took it on the low of this candle. Okay, actually, you still won that trade on accident. If you closed 10, your runner got stopped at BE. Once you broke the high here, even with all of this going on, you still got 10. Once you broke the low here, you came down. The low here, like, it's just, you got to keep it simple. And just know that it's going to, if you're trading with the momentum, you're probably going to be fine.
And like no trading strategy is like 100% where you're gonna win 100%. You're gonna have those losses no matter what.
Yep. Yeah. Exactly. So like this one, yeah, you wouldn't have got 10. You probably wouldn't have closed 7 or 8 pips. Let's be honest. You would have taken a loss there. But any buy you took when it broke above, so one loss, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You could have won 5 times on any of these candles. And then same thing on this one. Even trading against momentum, you still could have got 10 pips. So as long as you don't change your strategy, you're going to be fine. But
I think I found my strategy. Thanks to you.
Thank you. Yeah, I kind of combined. I can't even take credit for it because part of it is Rakil's strategy, just like candles closing is the first part. But then I also like and prefer breaking highs and lows, so I have that confirmation, which I learned from my very, very first mentor ever when I first started trading. And then trading with momentum, they both taught me that, but that's kind of just like, they didn't invent that. That's just like common trading knowledge, I feel like.
Was the first one Gibby?
Yep.
Yeah.
So yeah, he waits for the breaks of the highs and lows with momentum, which is basically all I'm doing, but I'm using kind of Rakil's, why is my mouse, like support and resistance to determine where I want to enter. So I'm going to close my charts. I got 30 pips. Oh yeah. I'm so happy I held it at 20 pips for once.
I got 10 and 15.
GA shorts. There would have been 50, 40 pips there this morning.
Thanks for the call. Yeah, it was a good trade. It played out nicely. Thank you. J.R. Kennedy, if you're in here, I just want to say, suck it. You shouldn't have traded against my bias, bro. I told you. GJ buys, and you said sells. I told you. Whoever asked that question while I was in the trade. Hello, Nicole. How was your boot camp? Oh yeah, someone already asked you. Okay, never mind. Yep, see you there, Frankie. What up, cats? Coffee time. What?
Hi. I was just one stop loss for that trade.
Can you say it one more time? I didn't hear you.
Can you hear me?
Yep, I hear you. It's just kind of quiet.
Okay, sure. I was wondering where you had placed that black line you have there. That horizontal black line is where you got in the trade. Where did you place your stop loss?
Below here. I'll remark it up.
Sure.
Yep.
Thank you.
Yep. So yeah, I got in right here. Targeted that little wick fill there, and I just put. So my idea was, this candle closed bullish above this resistance that we formed. It wicked above here, so I just figured the next candle was going to finish that wick fill and then continue up into this area, possibly this area. But once this candle pulled back, I was on the 15-minute. I was like, okay, it kind of broke the low here, and it's tapping into here. If it doesn't, because it broke the low, now it should continue down. But if it doesn't, I'm going to just anticipate it to continue with that 30-minute close. And then once it pulled back and started to pull up, I was like, okay, that'll be a nice little 6-7 pip stop. I haven't taken a trade today, so it's a little riskier than normal, but it's with momentum, with this 30-minute candle, and then it just kind of played out. So that's why I got in here instead of up here, just because I've seen these candles happen a lot. So I was like, I'm just going to try to capitalize on it this time and see what happens. So
Yeah, so you weren't even waiting for it to break first. You just thought it might break, so you anticipated the break and got in earlier, correct?
yep, because this bullish candle would have actually been my initial entry once we broke above this bearish candle.
Right. Okay. Yeah.
And then I would have anticipated this to break. So when this did that and I was here, I got to the chart late. I was like, okay,
Right.
so this is where I would have normally entered, and we have this close, so this one should just continue then.
And the candle you got in on is actually the gladiator candle, right?
I think so. Yeah, the gladiator is the one that breaks through the supports, right, and
Okay.
resistance. Yep.
All right. Great trade. Thank you very much.
Yep. Thanks. Nope. AG, I am done. 1-0 for the day. 10 pips, 20 pips. That's more than enough for me. Nope. No re-entries. Petrit. I'm not sure how to say that. Do you consider wick of the body, or consider high or low? Yep, so yeah, I consider the wick the high and low of the candle because, I mean, it is. That's where the price pushed to. So price was there, and it's either telling you that's where price is going to continue going, or that's where price cannot go and we're going in the opposite direction. So, I mean, if this candle would have came down and ended up stopping me out, I was selling once we broke below this bullish candle. I already had that planned out if I was wrong. Because if it came back and broke the low here, then we were going to head down to that 4-hour low and probably end up breaking that as well. So whatever it was going to do, I had a plan to execute. And once it broke just below here and it kind of was struggling to continue to go any deeper, I was like, okay, so we closed bearish. We kind of opened, pulled down a little bit below, where below we should keep going. But since it was kind of just sitting there for a minute or two, and then it pushed back up, I was like, okay, it's going to respect the 30-minute and then continue. So,
All right, Paul. I'm gonna head out for tonight. I'm
All right.
exhausted.
yeah, get some sleep, bro. Thanks for coming.
No problem. Peace out.
See ya. Yep. So yeah, the wicks are what I consider to be the highs and lows. The bodies are just where price closes. So price needs to close above the bodies in terms of zones because I use bodies for zones. But pushing past the wicks is kind of my second confirmation that price should continue with momentum. But I will mark up the chart. Delete that.
Gold's just closed that gap from the weekly open. I reckon it's going to fly back up again. That's a big move too.
Yeah, I had a feeling gold was going to be going up this session.
Yeah, I'm going to put a really low lot on and just see what it does.
Surprised Chris ain't coming in to talk that rubbish.
It's what time is it back home at the moment? What time's it in England?
For me?
No, in England. It's 12:30. Ibia.
Yeah.
Text him.
Yep, yeah, no problem, Chris. Thanks for coming. Or Christian. I'll pull up UJ in a second, Paul. And yep, Josh, I have an espresso machine and I love it. I drink 3 to 4 shots of espresso a day. Sometimes 2 to 3, but normally more because I'm always tired. There we go. Now I got it to line up. I hate when it doesn't. Alright, I'm going to go to the bathroom real quick and then I'll finish this. So I'm gonna mark this chart up.
400.
Yep. Yeah, I'm gonna mark this chart up for you guys. If you caught some pips, you liked the stream, make sure you subscribe, press that like button, and if you made hundreds of thousands, donations are appreciated, but not necessary by any means. So first reason for trade, momentum was to the upside. And the way I determine my momentum is I go to the 4 hour. I don't even really consider momentum. This candle's bullish. I'm looking for buys. Unless we break below this 4 hour, then I take sells. That's it. All I look at. I didn't look at this or any of this. None of it. Just a bullish 4 hour. Okay, the next candle should be bullish as well. So that was our first.
Right, I'm heading off. See you guys later.
Alright, see you later, bro. Thanks for coming.
See you guys.
Are you still in it, Mike?
Still on the trade?
Yeah.
Oh no. Nah, dude, I'm fucking kicking myself for not taking a buy on GA, man.
A buy?
Yeah, dude, it's
Did it go up?
retraced like 25 pips.
Oh shit.
Yeah, I was looking at that 5 minute too, and I was like, all right, I'm gonna wait for it to come down a tad bit more. Tap perfectly into that liquidity area.
Yeah, it could definitely go
But
bullish there.
I'm not super comfortable with taking trades off the 5 minute yet, so I'm just kind of waiting it out and seeing.
I mean, wait till it breaks the high of that previous 30 minute. Because if it doesn't, it's going to feel that wick and go down.
Yeah, no, that's what I'm watching too, because if it doesn't, it's gonna fill the wick, and then I'll look for another entry or.
Oh, don't take buys. Don't take buys. It's gonna make a lower high. Yeah, it's gonna make a lower high and then continue because it just broke the low of the previous 4 hour candle, and it's gonna push past those wicks and probably drop down to like 94945.
Yeah, that's why I kind of have it set up right now. If we took a sell, stops above the previous 30, it's only like an 8-9 pip stop, and it can target the wick fill like 20 pips.
Yeah, let me see. Yeah, I wouldn't trust buys till it gets back above like 95829 because it did make a low past the previous 4 hour. So I would just anticipate this 4 hour to continue past it, because it's rare when it wicks below a candle and then continues with the direction. But I think if you get a 30-minute bullish candle and then it breaks above that previous 30-minute, that'll probably be your best opportunity. I would say just get break even as quick as possible because it could just, like I said, make a lower high and then go fill that wick.
Yeah, I think it's gonna fill that wick to go down.
So I would even say let the candle push up and then wait for it to break a low of a candle and take it down with the momentum.
This is the 30?
What?
30 minutes, yes?
Yep. Yeah, this is the 30-minute.
So you looked at the 4 hour, then you went to the 30 minutes?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep, so basically, I say momentum. What I actually mean is what color was the previous 4 hour candle. If the previous 4 hour was bearish and it's at a support on the 4 hour, I'm still looking for sells. I'm not looking for buys till it breaks the high of that 4 hour, and then same thing vice versa for sells. So then we have entry here. Is that 3? Yep. Oh, button. Entry was there, obviously, and target. Boom. That's all she wrote. That's how you analyze a trade. Save. Yeah, and I would say, I wouldn't expect, I would just do whatever the market's telling you right then and there. Don't worry about what happened to previous. Because then you're adding, in my opinion at least, I mean, I don't know, I think Rakeel and Monty trade much differently, but you're adding too many different factors to your trade. So if you're looking at 6 or 7 different confirmations, I mean, you have 6 or 7 different things that could go wrong, that could make your trade right or wrong, and then you have to figure out which one of those 6 or 7 things is the reason you lost that trade. So if you have less of those confirmations but they're still good, like let's say you have, like for me, you have, what color is the 4 hour? We're looking for this, break above a candle. So if I lose a trade, I just have to find out which one of those 3 things was the reason that I lost the trade. Instead of having 7, now I got to figure out which one of the 7, and it's just easier. But that's just how I'm comfortable trading. So it's not the only way to do it, obviously. I mean, Chris, Trade with Monty, he trades completely different, and Rakeel trades different. So whatever you see is going to be the best and most confident trade that you'll be in. We took GJ buys this time. And chart is saved, so now that I did that, I will just add that to my Trello, and that's that. So we should continue up, probably into here. Once a wick breaks lower high, you make an order. So yeah, when it does, it has to be at a certain area as well. So like, the reason I took this one was because my entry would have been above this candle right here with a bullish bias. Because if we break a previous 15 minute, or even this is a 30 minute, if we break a 30 minute high, there's going to be a good chance we're going to break each of these wicks and then break whatever hourly level, and then if we break the hourly, we should break the 4 hour as well. Plus we're with momentum, so that's just extra confidence that we have strength to go up. But it's not just any, like this candle or this candle, I wouldn't have sold this because we're bullish. After this candle formed, if we would have got above here, I would have bought there and anticipated this to be broken, but we didn't get above there, and then we came down here, but that was probably just open pullback or Asian session spread, whatever. But once we broke here, this would have been my entry here with anticipation that we break above here and continue up to that wick area, maybe higher. So it's based on support and resistance and then breaking highs and lows of candles. It's not just any candle. It has to be a candle in a certain area. So the reason this one would have worked is because there was support right there and we closed below. So if we're going to stay below this support, it's not going to break the high and it's going to continue down. But we couldn't break the low, which is one thing, but that wouldn't have been an entry for me because, like I said, we're bullish, so I'm not looking for sells. But once we break the high here, which we shouldn't have done if we're coming down, then I would have entered there and then anticipated this to be broken because we couldn't stay below this level and break through and continue down, and we have to break one or the other. So we couldn't break here, so we should break here and then continue up. So it's candles that are in certain positions is what I'm looking for, not just any candle. Even though it probably would work pretty well just with any candle, to be honest. I'm going to delete this because I closed my buy stop anyway. I mean, maybe I will leave a buy stop there and just let it do its thing. We'll see. If we get above here, though, we are going to head up to here. But I don't... Because we broke the low here, I think we're going to push past these wicks. Because now we have a lower low on this candle and a lower high from here. We should break down through these candles then and head off to this area. So like I said, focusing on the most recent candles. Like, yeah, this could be rejection here. We could head up. But you don't just want to buy somewhere in here with anticipation of it going up. Because we have a bullish candle here that did get above these 2 wicks, so we should be going up if this one gets above here, which it didn't, and it actually got below here. So now on the smaller time frames, this is what we're more than likely going to see. Price went up. There's the low right here. Now we're here, so that's still our low. So you think you should see something like this, but what we're probably going to see is this. So it's going to come up and make a lower high below here and then continue down back to that low. So this was an old low here, so you don't want to worry about that. You want to worry about the low it just made. So undo all that. So I'd anticipate probably a support to be formed or a resistance to be formed here, and then us to come down, fill the wick, and then continue. So I think if you wait for a bearish candle, you can get a good sell in. Ruptures. What does that just mean, like a break of a zone? Yeah, Fecko, you missed a nice GJ buy. Ooh, we get 8 more likes and then we'll hit 100. Damn, did everyone get off of Zoom after we won? Oh, no.
Not
Wait.
here.
You're so quiet, bro.
Yeah, I'm reading. My bad.
Oh, no, you're good.
I'm
Okay.
here too. I'm still. I'm just listening to you go through how the trade broke down. Where do I go to give you a like? On the YouTube side?
Yep, yeah, on YouTube.
All right.
Appreciate it.
My pleasure.
Oh, we got a donation. Thank you, Wayne. Appreciate it. That $2 goes a lot further than you would imagine.
Bling blow.
Thank you, sir. Is that Wayne? You know what, Wayne? I'm going to make you a moderator for that, because that was just nice of you to do that. But yeah, $2 goes a long way. People, you wouldn't think it would, but I mean, let's just say you make $50 a day trading, and then you get $10 from YouTube, and then people donate and you get another $10. So now that's $20 a day from YouTube, $50 a day from trading. So now you're at $70 a day. In 5 days, that's $350 a week. That's almost like a full-time job. I mean, kind of a crappy hourly, but I mean, $350 a week will definitely change your life.
Yeah, that's true.
So, if anyone thinks, "Oh, I'm not going to donate $1," that's a waste of time. Like, it's really not in the grand scheme of things.
Numbers don't lie. And they add up.
Yep. Yeah. I feel like I'm forgetting to do something right now. So your main DAO, you always lose a lot of opportunities while you wait for the close. Yep, that's exactly what I noticed, Pablo. So what I started doing is only during session and the time I'm allowed to trade. So I can trade between 5 and 8:30 a.m., which is New York session, and I can trade when I'm on Asian session. So there's Asian volume then. But during the day, I don't even pull up a chart just to see what's going on. There's no charts whatsoever. So I feel like if you pick a certain time that you're going to trade, make sure it's during where there's some volume. Because when it breaks highs and lows, you're going to want volume, so it will continue, and you're going to want to be on the side of where the momentum is, so it'll continue as well. But then just look for, so like I would not have sold, but let's just say I was going to, right? So we got our most recent 15-minute candles. We come to the chart right after this bearish close. So that's the most recent low we have made since coming into Asian session. And it is about the same depth as here. So let's say you want to take a sell. And you got this resistance here. So this candle wicks up into this resistance and then closes back below. So you're thinking, okay, we're bullish. If we're going to stay bullish, we should stay above this candle right here on the 15-minute. So if we come below this candle, we're going to go down at least to this wick. And then the rest is kind of, where's it going to go to? So this is a terrible example, but once it breaks this low right here, it should continue down to wherever it's going to go. So just like the way I do it is, if price is on the 4 hours bullish, I'm going to look for buys. So if I get a bearish candle on the 15-minute and we break above that bearish candle, then I'm just going to anticipate the momentum and the volume to carry us through and above that candle, and then continue with the higher time frame in terms of where we're going. So on here, I mean, this is kind of a good example, but we didn't take it. So my anticipation was if we broke above this bearish wick right here, or even this bullish wick, we're going to continue up to here because we have bullish momentum. We're kind of forming some higher lows here, low higher than here, and as long as we don't get below here and we get above here, we should continue moving up. But we didn't. We came below, so now like, okay, maybe some sells, but now we got this clean traffic down, and if we can get above this high, we'll probably continue up to here. But just because the 4 hour broke below here, I don't like buys until we get above here, because we could come up into here, turn around, we could come up into here and turn around, because this wick did make a low. Granted, there's this rejection, you could say, here, but that's not important. What's important is the fact that we broke below a bullish candle on a 4 hour time frame. So it's like I was saying before, this was our low, price did this, it's like, ooh, okay, I don't know how I feel about that, it's going to find something and then come back down. So that's why I don't like buys even with a bullish candle till we're above here, because then I'll know that once we're above here, we're going to be niced up to here, and that this low is actually rejecting from here. It's not just making a lower low, coming up to make a lower high, and then continuing down. I feel like that took me way too long to answer your question. Oh shit, thank you, Josh. Wow, you guys are super nice today. Everyone's going to be a moderator.
I'm not even a moderator. What's up? Do I have to give you money too, or what?
Yeah, Josh gave me 5, Wayne gave me 2.
I'm gonna give you 10 then.
I'm gonna make you moderator and take you on a date.
Oh man, I already paid for it. Oh, how do you even donate? Oh, right here, this money thing.
Yeah, I didn't even know you could donate till someone did it, and I was like, what the heck?
Will you donate off of the Instagram?
On the super chat in the YouTube live stream, actually.
Let me go back over there.
Yep. Feco, I do make income from trading. I don't make enough to have it be my only income yet. And I think even when I do hit that level, I don't want it to be my only income because you're going to have bad days. You're going to have bad weeks. You could have a bad month. I feel more secure when I am trading if I have other sources of income coming in. That way, I don't feel pressured to force a trade or feel like I have to make money. But I do make enough to pay almost all of my bills with it. And then I do have I do Uber on the side right now until just when I need to. So if I do have a bad day or a bad week, I can go out and Uber and make up for it if I need to, which does happen. I think I had a bad week 2 or 3 weeks ago. I ended up breaking even or just taking a like a little bit of a loss for the week. But I think I started the week extremely well. Like 20, I was up like 17 or 20% in the first 2 days somehow. And I think it's because I accidentally placed a lot size instead of a percentage. That's what it was. That's how I went up. And then I still ended up losing for the week. But other than that, no, I do fine. It's not enough to only do this yet, for what would keep me comfortable. But that is the goal this year, is to get to that level and be able to mentor, trade, and live stream full time as my career. So that is my goal for the year.
How long you been trading for?
A little over a year and a half.
Okay.
So not very long. I'm just when I'm passionate about something, I become very obsessive with it, which could be good, but which could be bad, but ended up being good for me, in terms of just my learning curve. But I don't know. I just really like this, and I've always enjoyed. I thought I wanted to be like a personal trainer and coach people but once I found this, I really liked this, and then obviously my coaching, mentoring, helping people, passion also came into this as well. So, but yeah, Feco, definitely, it's way too. Unless you're making like a couple thousand a day, it is to where if you can cover all your bills and have like fun money after like 2 days of trading in a month, then I think you're at a point where you can have it be your only income. Because then if you win one trade a week, like, you're good. That's it. But I am not at that level yet. So I think once I hit that level, maybe I will be comfortable. But I just like having multiple sources of income, and then that just equates to more money. So
I'm gonna take off. I'm gonna contact you on the site, the FXFAM site, if you don't mind.
Do you have Instagram?
No.
You
You want it on the Slack chat?
Oh, I'm in Slack. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, I thought you meant Ted's website.
No, the Forex family.
Yep. Oh, the Rakil's Slack group.
Yes, sir.
Yep. Yeah, I'm in there, bro.
Okay, so I'll contact you there. May not be today, but that you'll know it's me.
Okay.
All right. Thanks.
Yep. Thanks for coming, bro. See you later. Oh yeah, I was gonna pull up your chart. Yeah, my bad. Here we go.
You can't donate more than $500.
If someone's donating that much, I'm gonna frickin' drive to their house and give them a kiss or something.
Well, I was just trying it out, and I maxed it out, and it only go up to 500. I tried to type in 1,000, and it won't take it. So
you don't need to donate $1,000.
nah, I'm not. I was just saying, like,
Oh, what? We're not good enough to take 1,000, really, bro?
I'm not even mods. I don't know why I'd give you 1,000. So
I should be paying you for all the computer advice.
But some of those people on Twitch will donate like stupid amounts of money. Like 30. I seen one chick get like 30 grand one time.
Oh wow. Yeah, I've seen some of them. They get some crazy stuff. Nabik, I've never, or Nabik, I'm not sure. I've never tried a funded account. I don't think I will, just because what I'm doing is working and I'm doing fine. So I don't like to change things when things are working. I don't like to change them. Kind of. And Jan, your chart is not working. Just so you know. Yeah, $100 a day would definitely will give you some freedom. But if that's the only $100 you're making a day, how are you going to respond when you lose $50 and you don't make any money? Are you still going to be okay? Is kind of how I see it. Slack, it's basically just like Telegram, but it is, it's a better platform in my opinion. Oh, nope, don't lag.
I just had to look it up. The highest donation anybody's ever given on Twitch is $57,000.
Wow.
Yeah.
I don't think I could even accept that.
Yeah, from an anonymous. Well, it wasn't anonymous. They had like the name, but no one knows who the person is. It's just like some random person.
Yeah.
Wow. Anyway.
Well, I went back over to the YouTube. I saw the $. Is that where?
Yeah, that should be it.
Something else came up about. It didn't say anything about donating money. Am I doing it through what? Cash App or something like that?
I'm not sure. I haven't done it, so
You have to choose either a super chat or a super sticker. It's just like how you want the message to be displayed. So after you click the money symbol, you just either click if you want a sticker or put it in the chat. So that's really up to you. And then you fill in the amount and hit buy and send. Now you probably have to have it set up through your credit card on the your YouTube account.
Okay, I got you. So I need to set up a credit card on the YouTube account first.
You'd probably have to do something like that. Yeah, I would assume.
Okay. Thank you.
No problem.
Yeah, thanks, JR. I had no idea.
Too, Paul. Very good call.
Yeah, thanks, bro. Appreciate it. Hey, if you do donate, thank you very, very much. That's definitely,
You've been very helpful.
definitely not necessary, but means a lot to see that people are actually making money that they give me. So it's pretty cool. Like I said, when I set it up, I didn't even know. I thought I was just allowing people to post emojis in the chat. So it was pretty cool when I found out like that you can even do that. I didn't even know that was a thing. Sweet. So just real quick while we're kind of just doing nothing. These are all the trades we took last week. I did not journal on the day I overtraded, so there should be 2 more losses in here. I just got too busy. I went to the gym right after the trades, and I just didn't ever come back and then remember where we were. But that's not going to happen this week. And here's the trade from yesterday on Asian session. So once we actually took it. Why are you loading? But there's nothing to load. Chill out. Once it broke the low here, we took, I have it labeled. So downside momentum. Once we broke the low here, we figured we'd continue down and fill the gap, and then there was about a 40 pip move. And then today, bullish momentum. We had a bullish candle here that closed and wicked above all of that, and I've just seen this happen, so I just anticipated it to continue based on experience. And target was up in this wick, and I think we actually pushed past it now. But yeah, so this is where I do it. Trello. When you click on your thing, you can add labels. So if you lose, you can do that. You can actually add multiples. So I mean, if it was a loss, it would be like that. You just gotta double click it. And you can add your charts from your computer, from Google Drive, Dropbox, and it's all free. So I mean, like I said, here's all my trades from last week, week before. This was when I started it. So I mean, it's all labeled by the week, so it's pretty organized. I like it.
Only thing that's missing for me is being able to put like Excel spreadsheet on it.
You probably could add that because you can add more than one. You can add more than one image.
Attachment. Scroll down. What does that say?
Well,
No, on the attachment. When you hit the attachment button, what does that say?
One sec. Let me reopen it up. Yep, no problem. Marius, what up, Java? Alright, so attachment. You can add OneDrive, Box, Dropbox, Google Drive. So you could add it.
Yeah, because I have my Google Sheets on my Google Drive, so I'll try it out.
Yeah, because see how there's one image here? You can just click and add another one. Like, I have it on here somewhere. Let me see if I can find it.
What I have it set up now is like I just have a folder with all my entries and exits, and then I have a whole other separate Excel spreadsheet where I put my trades in. So it's all
Gotcha.
like separated, you know.
Yep, yeah, so here, this one, I have 2 pictures in here. So I have the 4-hour visual. That's what the 4 hours doing. I needed to focus on this most recent one because I got caught in sells. But if I was doing what I'm doing now, that's a bullish 4 hour, so buys. And then here was the loss on the 1 hour. We took a sell on this guy. We should have been buying. So.
Okay.
Yep.
I'll try it out.
So this, Mohammed, it's not an app. I mean, they might have an app. I don't know. But you just go to Trello.com with the www dot in front of it. And that is, that'll be, you just make a free account, sign up. Super easy. Just email, password. That's it. And yeah. Yeah, see you there, Josh. Thanks for coming. Appreciate the donation. That was super nice. Damn, Giorno, you've been coming late a lot. Gotta get to bed earlier. Oh, okay, yeah, cool, Kat. That's nice. Yep, see you later, Doug. Thanks for coming. We'll hang out for a little bit longer, see what happens on GA. Got GJ should continue up.
Yeah, it's looking like it's making a support.
Yeah, if it breaks that high, it'll probably keep going. Yeah, it'll go fill that wick if it breaks that high and then pop up even more. What's a 4 hour look like? Yeah. Yeah. So I'm not gonna take this trade, but I'm gonna mark it up if it does. Because I think this trade would make a hell of sense. Put on the 15 minute, get a better. Ooh, yeah, I broke the high of that previous 15 minute. If it gets above that guy, it'll go. So we'll mark it up and see. And there's no entry yet unless it breaks up there. And I'm not going to enter, but I just want to see if it's going to play out. Because then we'll be above this. Yeah, that'll be a really nice trade. Wow, that'll continue very far. If it gets up into there and activates, it will continue to run. Probably like there, right up into that wick. We'll see. Oh wow, 114 likes. That's awesome. Thank you guys.
Is Mike here?
I think he got off.
Well, I'm talking about he's going to take that GA trade and look what it did.
Did it die?
Yeah.
I told you I didn't trust those bullish candles. Yeah, actually, it was a good day. It was a very good day. Say, did it break above? Damn, I like that buy so much, I would consider re-entering to take it. Yeah, that thing is probably going to sail. No, don't pull up your trading view. Just keep it closed. I almost pulled up my chart to take this one, but I really do like this trade. It's going to fill that wick and continue. Just watch. Yeah. Yep.
Oh, great. Now I get it in stereo. Testing 1, 2.
Yo, what up? Yeah. Remember though, if you're taking this trade, make sure it's broken above on your MT4 or MT5, not trading view, because they are different. So that's what's going to be important. Oh yeah, it's going to fucking sail. Watch it. Watch it go. 117 likes. Jeez. Got some love in the stream today. What link invitation you talking about, Christian? I'm not sure what you mean.
Oh, so I see. So there's a delay on the YouTube.
Yep. Yeah. So Zoom, you're gonna hear me talking right away, and you'll see what's happening right now on YouTube. There is a 30-second delay, I believe.
Right. So I need to turn off the sound on YouTube.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Please do.
Exactly.
Yeah. Yeah, Christian, I'm not sure what link invitation you mean. If you're talking about my Trello, I'm not inviting anyone to my Trello because it's mine. But you can make your own, for sure. Yeah, watch this thing just run. I'm going to call it right now. Ugh, I would have taken this one too, but I can't because I already won 30 pips. We'll see how it goes. I'm going to run to the bathroom real quick. Yeah, that buy would be lovely. Oh wow, it's running. Look at that. I called that shit.
No. Look on the daily on GJ. It's got clean traffic all the way back up to that high.
So you're telling me I should have taken that buy?
I don't know.
Oh god, yeah. Oh god. Mm-hmm. 4 hours gonna get up to there.
Yep.
Yep. Hourly made a new high. 30-minute broke above. Yeah, this thing's gonna run. Damn. How many pips would we be up if we did take that again? Maybe we would have went up 5.
To me, it looks like a pullback to the top of that last 4-hour candle. Gold.
To go down then?
Yeah, if you look at the daily.
Yeah, the daily could probably I think daily can go higher though.
It can definitely go higher, but there's a doji at the top of there's a pin bar at the top of the daily, which.
Right, that's what I'm saying. It's going to go back into that area. You know, I'm not saying it's going to break it. Just it's kind of that clear path.
I'm just thinking the top of that last 4-hour candle, and then.
Yep.
And then continue down.
Yeah, that would make sense. I mean, that was the original target. Oh yeah, it's moving nice now. Yeah, so it's gonna come up into this area right in here, pretty much right where that box is. How many pips did it move now? 7, yeah.
or it could be up to that wick, which would be a proper break and retest,
Yep.
which is like 46 pips.
What's up, Paul?
Yo.
UJ looks just like BJ right now.
Which way? Up or down?
No, like the whole chart looks they look like the same thing almost.
Oh. Is this Zach?
Yeah.
Oh shit, what up? You got
I've
work?
been in UJ for like a while now, and it finally is green.
GA is dying.
Still?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I freaking knew the cells below this bullish one were gonna be lit. I freaking knew it.
30 pips.
Hate to say
Yeah,
I told
I'm in GA cells.
Yeah, I hate to say I told you so that when we broke the low here that these weren't gonna be an issue. But
It's that low that attracted me. Yeah.
yeah, damn, oof, those would have been, oh man, that'd have been a perfect no drawdown sell. You gonna buy on UJ? Yeah, I mean, depends on what you're looking for. I think Zach's holding it a little bit longer. That's a great night. You got work, Zach?
No. No, I left. There wasn't anything going on.
Oh. So you at home?
Yeah.
Nice. What'd you say you're in UJ?
Yeah.
Let me pull it up. Are you in sells or buys?
Bye.
Okay, yeah, it's going up to probably like 111, 300 area. Where'd you get in at, and what time frame did you get in off of?
I'm in at 110, 940. It's kind of shooting down right now.
Oh, so you like just got in? Or was it where you were drawed on for a while?
Yeah, I was down for a while.
Okay. So you probably tried to get in somewhere over here. Yeah, I think it's going to correct that whole move. So you should... 940... I think you got a good 30 pips of clean traffic for some
That's
take.
what I'm hoping for.
Yeah, I think you're good. We got a high above all of this, so it's probably going to just continue. Check the 4 hour. Did you scalp it or was it more of a swing?
I was hoping for a scalp, but then I just was like looking at the whole thing, and I was like, well, this should be good. Like, it doesn't look like it's gonna be going down anytime soon. Well, it was down, and then I was just like looking at it. I was like, well, it's kind of been doing this.
So did you probably sell it somewhere over here or buy it somewhere over here?
Yeah.
Okay. So a little tip for next time, wait for a bullish candle to close on like the 30-minute. Because especially after all this like bearish activity, you basically bought a bearish candle, which,
Right.
I mean, you didn't know it was going to close bearish till after the fact, but just with the way this candle formed, it just would have made sense to wait for a bullish candle or wait for it to break a high of a previous bearish candle. So like how it just broke the high of this bearish one, right when it did that, that'd have been a good intelligent buy to then take it up this clean candle. I even like these buys, to be honest.
GA on the 4 hour looks like it could swing all the way down.
You would have done. Yeah, I really like these buys actually.
So let's see if the Aussie will do it this time.
So on GJ, you're saying like, would you buy with the wick going where it did, or do you wait for it to close?
I wait. Once that 30-minute closed, I took the buy on GJ.
Oh, okay.
Paul, is there any way to delete a card in Trello?
I'm sure there is. I will look into that for you.
If you right click it or whatever, it doesn't. You can archive it, and then it goes away. But
Huh. No, I'm contemplating these UJ buys. I'm just watching it on the 5-minute right now. I don't really do the candle flip theory anymore. I kind of switched to what I've been doing recently. Yeah, so if the 5-minute breaks the previous 5-minute, I think I'm gonna throw a lot in on this. If it'll let me. Really? It's not letting me fucking take a buy? Are you shitting me? Little piece of crap. Come on, man.
On UJ or GJ?
UJ, but my fucking thing won't let me place a trade. Piece of fucking shit. It's already past where I wanted to fucking enter. Piece of crap.
GJ is taking off.
To the upside?
Oh man. Choking.
I can't trade UJ, that's why. What the hell?
Is it grayed out on yours?
Yeah, it won't let me trade it.
It's grayed out on mine too, dude. Like I was looking at it earlier and I couldn't figure out what the hell was going on. I thought I was losing it.
Yeah, I can't trade it. That's so weird. Why can't we trade UJ?
Hey, look, scroll down farther, down on your thing. And see if it's I got another one on there. I got the one at the top and I got one at the bottom. You see it?
No, they're in the Forex majors?
Yeah, check in there. Check the Forex.
Nope, there's only one UJ.
See, I've got it. I've got the gray one and then I've got one I can trade too.
Nope.
USD JPY-B is what it says.
That's probably why. Well. And it's running now, look at that. Same thing, once we broke above here, continued up. Yeah, only thing I would be retaking is GA if it comes down. Selling it below, right below here would have been perfect because we got a lower high here, and then we broke the low, made a lower low. Yeah. Yo, what up, Matthew? Yeah, I pull up charts. I trade on MT4 from LMFX.
I think I'm gonna put a trailing stop on GJ.
For buys?
Yeah, because I'm already up 20 pips.
Damn. Yeah, I should have held mine, but I mean, I closed 20 and 10, so I mean.
I gotcha. But yeah, I think it's gonna go all the way. Gotta figure this out.
I mean, GA is looking like it's trying to go back up again too. Previous hourly was bullish. It kind of broke the low, but it's looking like it might will break the high too and respect that support.
No. What? Why?
Yeah, 127 likes. That's crazy. Let's go. Appreciate it. Damn, someone's taking some trades.
No, I was trying to fix this trailing stop.
Oh. Yeah, mine makes a noise every time I do anything, even if I'm not really doing anything. It's weird. I wonder if this thing's gonna run up like it did the other day.
Oh, just thank you. Shit. Because I put it like at like 30 points by accident, and so that was like 3 pips. I was like, no.
You're like, nah, bitch.
Need this money. Hard out here.
That's what I didn't do. This thing could be winding up to go up.
We don't. What?
GA.
GA? Or what? GJ or GA?
GA.
Yeah, because it keeps bouncing off that support.
Mm-hmm.
I was looking the same thing. Look in the 4 hour.
Yeah, I'm thinking it's gonna. If it breaks above that, I mean, I'm probably gonna scale down to the 30-minute, but.
Right, but I'm just saying, look at all that support at that level.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, but it made a low below the bullish 4 hours, so I'm just not. I gotta be convinced on buys now again.
Yeah, maybe wait till the 4 hour flips bullish or something.
Yeah. I mean, if I take another trade, it's probably not going to be till it gets above 95,900, but it could do that in one 5-minute candle.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah. Yeah, entries everywhere. For real. I don't even think there were entries, actually. I think you were just moving your stop.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's still something I'm trying to work out, like whether to leave a runner or, the best way to do that.
Yeah, you never know.
Yeah, that's the problem.
When you guys look at GA 4 hour, you're seeing bullish?
Nope, I'm not seeing. I see bearish till if it breaks the previous hourly high, I think maybe it could go up, but I wouldn't look for buys till above 95,900.
Can you switch to 4 hour, please?
Yep. All right, we're there.
And can you squeeze the chart so it's a little smaller so I can... There you go. Okay, so what I see is this. It didn't make a lower low yet.
Yep.
So if it closes below this, then perhaps it'll get down to here and then do one of these and then continue down.
Yep. That makes sense.
Perhaps.
Yep. Yeah, see, what the? Why is
How many
this
pips
shit?
is that?
Yeah, I see exactly what you're seeing, but I see it a little differently. So I see it, this current 4 hour hasn't broken above the previous, so probably no buys till we get above there, if we do. But we did break below this 4 hour candle. So these wicks, I don't really see them as rejection until we get back up here. So if this candle does pull back up here, then yeah, these wicks did reject it. But because we broke the most recent 4 hour low, I'm just waiting for a lower high, and then I think we will continue past these wicks.
Yeah, I was going to draw a zone on those wicks, but they're so wide.
Yeah, so here now we got the... Why is shit lagging now? Get chilled off. Come on. No. Because I opened Discord. Shitty piece of... Hold on. Every time I open this fucking app, it wants to just...
You guys hear my birds, by the way?
Did we hear your what?
Birds.
No. I don't.
Yeah,
kind of
every
birds
time
you
I
got?
open up that damn app.
No, they're just the outside birds are chirping.
Oh, okay. Thought you had like a parrot or something.
No. I thought it would be a great effect if you guys could hear it, but since you can't hear it, I'll just mute myself.
Oh, I hear him. I hear him now.
So then I'll keep it unmuted unless some noises come.
Okay. Deal.
You guys need to hear chirping while you're trading.
Yeah, like a little ambient noise. I like that.
Exactly.
Have you ever seen these YouTube videos with like the different frequencies?
Yes.
Yeah.
What do y'all think about that? Is that a bunch of crap or does it actually work?
I don't know.
I don't know. Hit me up in 10 years.
Okay, let me see if I can find one. Actually, I don't see. Yeah, I put like one of them on, throw it to bed, but like didn't work. You ever tried meditating, Paul, or anybody?
Yeah, I have. I still do sometimes.
I can't.
Yes.
I can't.
Yes on meditation.
Yeah, I'd like to be able to, but I just can't do it. Like my mind will not stop.
Just do the one where you concentrate on the breath at the tip of your nose going in and out.
Okay, I'll try that.
And if your mind wanders, bring it back to the breath on the tip of your nose. And if your mind, that. So, because there's nothing else to do except for that.
Yeah. No, like I said, try.
And try to do it for 3 minutes, not 15 or 10, or because 3 minutes is long enough.
Okay. Be like a gradual thing, kind of work my way up.
3 minutes is. It's 3 whole minute candles.
There's some YouTube videos that can help with that too.
Oh yeah, like what?
Like some of them help people just like type in like meditating or meditation like guide, and they'll walk you through it and they tell you exactly what to do, and sometimes it works.
Okay.
Yeah, I use those too. They're pretty good.
There's this one video on YouTube that the dude can like hypnotize you through the video, and like it works on some people.
Yeah, I've had that work on me for like a sleep one, and I had a really, really weird dream, and I just woke up terrified. But I mean, it worked.
Oh yeah. The same thing happened with me. Like they had a lucid dreaming one.
Yep, that's exactly it.
Yeah, I had the headphones in, and I fell asleep, and then like literally I thought I heard someone whispering in my ear, like it was real, and like I woke up scared as fuck.
Yeah, I tried that Chantix stuff to like quit smoking, and I literally had like nightmares every night, and I couldn't take it anymore. It's like I was getting buried alive every night.
Oh wow.
It was bad, like really bad. So, yeah, I've had some pretty. Have you ever had sleep paralysis?
Yeah.
That happened to me one time, or twice actually. Now that's scary.
It used to happen when I was like 6.
Really?
Yeah, and I didn't know what the hell was going on. I couldn't explain it to my mom.
Whoa, I bet that was freaky as a 6-year-old. It happened to me when I was
so scared.
Yeah. It happened to me while I was grown. I didn't know what to do.
That's kind of the same thing as lucid dreaming. Like if you like are preparing to lucid dream and you're staying very still, your body can fall asleep before your mind does, and it feels like you can't move.
Huh.
It's pretty scary.
Yeah, I've had friends lucid dream. They said that it works if you do it right.
Yeah. It's hard to do.
Yeah, that's what I've heard.
I'm GA right now.
It's in the range.
Yeah, I don't really like it. I think it could go down. I don't know why my mouse is lagging now. Like, what the fuck? I think if it breaks... Come on, seriously? The fuck, man? I hate lag. Shit pisses me off. Yeah, I can't even... JR, what's fucking causing this bullshit right now? Is it Google? Why is Google Chrome using 500 megabytes?
That's what it does. It's a hog. It's a beast of an application. Is that the only mouse you have?
Yeah. No, I have a wired one.
Okay, well try that one. Do me a favor. When that thing starts lagging, unplug that one you're using, and put in the wired one and see if it goes away. I just want to eliminate the mouse. You know what I mean?
You think it could be the mouse?
Well, I'm probably not, but that's just the best way to troubleshoot. You know what I mean?
Yeah. I have a fancy gaming one. That one's probably gonna pull more data.
Nah, it should be alright. Is it wired or wireless?
It's wired. It's a Corsair.
Yeah. The wired one will probably pull less because it's not working on the Bluetooth. You know what I mean?
Oh yeah, if this thing breaks the bearish high right here, I think it's gonna keep going up. I'm not gonna take it till we're above here, but I do think it will continue up. Yeah, there, I broke it now. It's probably gonna pop. From Brazil, that's pretty cool. That's far away. That's awesome, you're here with us. That's probably gonna run. I can't even pull out the little fucking chip. There we go. But JR, it's been ever since I added that Discord has been the issue.
But is Discord running? Look at your little down there by your clock and your little applications that are running down in the tray and see if Discord is running.
Where am I supposed to look?
You know, like down by the clock and the speaker symbol.
Yeah.
You got all like the Wi-Fi and the all the applications that are open, like Zoom and whatnot.
It doesn't. It just shows a cloud, a speaker, a computer, or the network, and the sound. Yeah.
What about the mouse? Is the mouse lagging?
No, the mouse isn't lagging, but it goes hit or miss. So we'll see if it stays better. It moves a lot slower than the wireless, than the Bluetooth one. I think it's because it's a gaming one. It's more controlled.
You can speed up your mouse if you want to.
How do I do that? Because this one's really slow. I don't like it.
Personalize. I'll look that up.
You prefer a wired mouse? Okay.
Yeah, that's what I use, a wired mouse.
Yeah, Manuel, I'm not sure. I'm not really waiting for anything, but if GA does break above this 95,900, then I will take a buy. Other than that, my plan is to not do anything. Is UJ still going up? Oh, control panel is where it is apparently. Control panel. open. Probably devices and printers.
Yeah.
Corsair Harpoon RPG Pro gaming mouse.
Damn.
Yeah, I mean, I'm pretty legit, so.
Yeah. Hardcore gamer.
Yeah. Alright, now what? It says my device is working properly. No shit. Thank you.
You got some settings in there.
And it says properties.
Yep. Try that.
Driver?
No.
Nope. Details? Nope.
Yep.
Yes?
Mate, try that. Try that.
It just has property and then there's a bunch of shit.
Alright, hang on.
Then find icon for the mouse. Yep, I found that. Manuel, now what? It's not in general. Damn, we got 130 likes. That's insane. Yeah, possible GA buys if we push up. Windows button type mouse. Okay. This thing's really slow. I have to like lift it up and move it. Mouse settings.
There you go.
Oh. And then choose how many lines to scroll. Is that what I'm supposed to change? Is the lines?
Yeah. Like, it's faster or slower. Could be.
I don't know if it is faster. I think it's a little faster, maybe. Yeah, not really. Not a ton. That's better though.
All the way out.
What?
Exit all the way out.
What?
On the line.
Okay, now it's faster.
There you go.
Sweet. And no, it hasn't lagged yet, so maybe it was the Bluetooth mouse, not the... Because the task manager with everything up and running, JR, it's... CPU is at like 4%.
Nice.
Memory is at like 40 to 45.
Perfect.
That shouldn't cause lag, right?
No.
Okay, yeah, everything, it's like barely in the medium, like,
usage?
Yeah.
Gotcha.
So, I mean, the other computer was in the extremely high. Your computer's gonna break.
Yeah. You had that bad boy max to the max. Yeah, it's nice how cheap PCs are these days, you know, for what you can get.
Yeah, I mean, for $580, it was not bad.
No, you got a good deal, for sure. I keep meaning to ask Monty what kind of computer he has.
He built one.
That's what I remember you saying that. I'm curious to see what he built.
Yep, yeah, I found it. Thanks, guys. Thanks, Manuel. Thanks, Justin. We got it figured out.
Still got 100 people going into 8 o'clock.
Yeah, I'm thinking we might get another buy opportunity on GA, or we might get our first buy opportunity on GA.
There you go.
Yeah, I'll probably risk 0.5% of what I made.
You guys about to go again, looks like.
CJ's about to run again, yeah.
Seems that way.
Dang, the freaking free Telegram group is going nuts.
What happened?
It's just getting getting a lot of people.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah. I still gotta make a website tonight.
EA just does not want to leave this range.
Mm-mm. They're gonna be a 4-hour close. Yeah. Yeah, this mouse is a lot better. It does move faster now too. But it tries to load stuff randomly. I don't know why. Alright, hourly still bearish, and it made a lower low, lower high. Let's see how the 4-hour closes. I mean, this one closed below these candles, so if it breaks the low of this 15-minute, it's probably going to run down and fill the wick. But I want to wait for the 4-hour. Nope, no, not in any trades. And Josh, I'm planning on doing sim sessions when I got the new computer on Saturday night. I wasn't fully set up on Sunday, so that's why we didn't have it this weekend. But it's set up now. It just, when I was trying it on Sunday afternoon, just testing it all, the simulator was lagging really bad without any other program up. And I have like 7 programs up right now with no lag, so I think there's an issue with MT4, or maybe it was my mouse. So thanks, Pablo. It was a good night. You know what this hourly looks like to me?
What's that?
So, price right here. We made a high above this area. Now we got a higher low above this area. Whoa, what is that? What did that do? Ooh, that clicks. That's a button. Ooh, that's fancy.
Are you hitting them with the side buttons?
Yeah, that's fancy. So this will be a higher low, and then we might continue back up.
Okay.
It'd be nice if this one would continue and push up into here, so then we can get the 4-hour and get a buy above here. You watch the 4-hour for now. Yeah, it's looking like that area could hold support, but it's got to close bullish for me to have that, to still have a bias, unless it does break above here. Yep, yeah, Josh, simulation is normally Sunday morning, 7 a.m. Central Time, so 8 o'clock Eastern. make any more fucking noise. I'm back. Damn, we still got 117. People are waiting for this trade. I think we're going to get it, to be honest. Just got to wait on this 4 hour. Jay, are you still free afterwards for a little bit?
You know it.
Did you say no or you know it?
You know it.
Okay, sweet. I'm thinking if the 4 hour closes below here, I would take my risk selling. If this closes like weak bearish below here, or really weak bullish, or barely bearish, I think once it breaks the low, that would be a good sell. But it depends where the 4 hour closes, so. We'll check it out on here. Excuse me. Make a flag. Yeah, I don't know what that means, John. Yeah, man. Well, I got a HP. I don't know the actual. It's an HP desktop. Here, I'll just pull it up. How about that? Best Buy desktops.
Come on, GJ. Fucking go.
It's... You're still in the buys?
Yep.
Nice. Oh, I think what it changed, I don't think it changed my mouse. I think it changed my little scrolling thing. Because when I just move the little roller ball once and it does the whole thing.
Hmm.
Yeah. So this is the computer. Is this it? No. No, it's got a. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's what it changed. Mine has the Ryzen. So it says. Oh no, it's. Oh, I'm dumb as fuck. It's an HP, not a Dell. Yep, here's the one I got right here. AMD Ryzen 5, 12 gig memory, solid state drive. It works pretty well. I like it. Oh, the 4 hours pulling up. Look at that.
Oh, it is.
Yeah, so I need to go back to mouse settings because it's too fast. Yeah, it's not the lines that's changing it. It's gonna be mouse options. Oh, here we go, yeah. That should be it. Oh yeah, she's rounding up. Look at that.
There you go.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, now it's moving faster. Yeah, if this thing breaks that high.
Yep.
Yep. 30 minutes closing above. Oh, she's running now. Yeah, if it breaks the high of that hourly, I think that'll be a good entry. 6 pip stop.
Yeah, I closed GJ right before the 8 o'clock.
Okay, gotcha, John. GJ still running for you?
No, I closed it a while ago.
Oh, nice.
Closed it before like 8 o'clock. I didn't know what was gonna happen, so I just took what I could get.
Fair enough. Probably throw a small lot in if it breaks the high. Looks like it's about to. Alright.
You in there? You in there like swimwear?
Yep, yeah, I threw one small lot in. It got above on MT4. It's a real tight stop, so. I'm not sure what that was referring to. Come on. I mean, it makes sense on the hourly.
Yeah, I think you're good, dude. You're good, dude. What's your target?
Probably 10 pips.
Gotcha.
It's not even in profit yet. It's. Oh, now we're up 0.2.
Whoop, whoop.
Hopefully it'll run.
That looks like it should.
Yeah, it was in profit for a second. Now it's just at like minus a pip. It's looking like the 5 minutes going to close above that little resistance it made. Hopefully continue. Hmm. I mean, 5 minute kind of closed above, but it's, yeah. Ooh, I'm up a whole pip. Let's go.
Wow.
There's 2 pips. Ooh, come on. What you doing? That's weird. It should be on your empty. You might have to go into, you click view, and then you click symbols. Oh, wow, 3 pips now. Come on, girl, run.
Remember how we were talking about that dollar index was the top of the range?
Mm-hmm.
I mean,
Yep.
resistance. Look what happened to the dollar. What's happened to the dollar? Here, I'll send you the chart.
This thing's running a little bit. I think if it gets up 5 or 6 pips, I'm gonna just go break even with it.
TJ's dying. I got up just in time. Holy shit. I've been
Oh, wow, there's
pissed.
6 pips. Shit.
I'm looking at gold. I'm sitting here looking. Oh man, I was trying to look at GA.
Man, it keeps pumping and then bouncing that area.
Yeah, look less than a 30-minute.
That was up 6 pips.
That 95.67 area.
Yep. 9569 is where it's kind of bouncing. Or yeah, 6 7s. I mean, the 5 minute got above everything on the 5 minute time frame, and there's not really any more traffic until 95785 area. So
Yeah, it might just take it a second to chew through all that.
yeah.
Taco from Trello sent me a message. Taco from Trello. Any news tomorrow? Consumer confidence. Red folder for the US dollar. We had NZD news Wednesday.
Mm-hmm.
I might make for some volatile action.
Oh yeah. NZD gets wild.
Yes.
That was the only trade I made $1,000 in 2 minutes, or like 10 seconds, I should say.
Oh, when you started.
When I was trading news, yep. Yeah, I threw 2 1 lots in, and made like $980 in a couple seconds. I just want this 5 minute to close above that little area. Come on. Did it close above? Barely. Oh, was that just a 15-minute close?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yep. Yeah, that should be why you couldn't see it. God damn, man. getting close to stop loss. Jesus fuck Christ. Huh. What a bitch. Looking like it retested that top area. It wants to pull down now. If it pushes back up before stopping me out, I'm gonna close at break even. Nope, it's just gonna stop me out. LOL. Hopefully nobody took that fucking trade. Yeah.
I'm in cells still.
Yeah, it's probably gonna just be a fake out to the upside to come back down. Of fucking course it is.
I want to see what happens when it closes below those 3 touches to the base there. Definitely not used to this. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I hear you.
Okay.
Yeah, I got stuck in a fake out, it looks like. So it came back to this area is where it came to. Piece of shit, I fucking knew it. And most of this area holds, but that 4 hour did make a lower low.
Well, I see the current 4 hour formation as bearish.
Mm-hmm.
But what I don't know is if it's going to swing all the way down this time, or if it's just going to go down for 8 hours and then push up higher. If you put on the 4 hour chart and squeeze it, I'll show you what I'm talking about. You have to squeeze it more so that other parts come in. A little more.
More?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a lot of candles.
Even more.
Yeah, that's way too much info for me.
Okay, so now stop. And so what I'm looking at is this. So either it's going to be one of these, and it's only going to go down 8 hours or so, or it's going to swing. So that's what I'm looking at.
What is that box on the left?
Or it could duplicate this.
Do you think it's coming down from up there though? You don't think it's gonna stay bullish?
Well, I think it's eventually going to come down, but the Aussie has been very elusive in when it's going to shoot up. So I think at some point the Aussie is going to shoot up really quick, and most of us are going to miss the move.
Gotcha.
Because that's what it's done in the past, and it does it regardless of what the fundamentals are saying.
Yeah.
So that's just me.
No, I mean it makes sense. That's just different than what I do. So that's all. Yeah, I just don't know if this area is gonna hold us to go up, or if this area is gonna
I
hold
have
us to
no
go
idea about those candles, the wicks down there.
Yeah.
That's why I need to see it close below and see what it does.
Yeah, I am done though. That was. Should have just went break even after it went up 5. Oh well, I only lost 0.5% of what I just made, so.
So half of what you made for the day, or half of what your last trade was?
Oh, that was my first trade. I didn't trade this morning.
Oh, I thought you had a GJ buy.
Yep, yeah, that was earlier tonight. I didn't trade New York this morning.
He's saying 0.5 of what he made off his last trade.
Yep. Yeah. So I just risked 0.5% of the profits I just made from those buys.
Yeah, okay.
Yep.
You're still up for the days.
Yep.
Good.
Yep, I'm still up like.
Green is green.
I think it's 7 or 8% still. I think I made 8.5, or 8.
Green is green.
Yep, that's what I see. So I'm not gonna go in a third time. And Pedro, this person on Instagram is who got me into it initially. I mean, it could still go up. I just had my stop too tight. That could be it, but I didn't want to risk anything more. It was either going to go, or it was going to come take me out. It was like a 9 pip stop or whatever, so. An intelligent stop would have been below here, or buys above here would still be your best bet. I mean, it's kind of holding above there, so who knows? Or even a stop would have been below this bullish candle, probably would have made sense. Yep, Echo. That is correct. And then I risked 0.5% of that 7 or 8%, whatever it was. What made get into the business? What do you mean? What business?
The trading business.
Oh, like trading or like YouTube and coaching and stuff? The marketing. I don't know if that's a like an insult or what. I don't feel like I market that much, unless you just mean like promoting the like YouTube stream. You should just come into the Zoom chat, Pedro. This would make it a lot easier. Excuse me. Pedro, message me on Instagram. It's on the top left. And I will send you the login. Yep, see you later, Manuel. Yep, I'm waiting, Pedro. And then after that question, I'm going to call it a night. Yep, yeah, GA is good to trade this session. I'm not in anything right now. Yeah, I took a second attempt on GA, and then it hit stop loss, so. Yep, see you there, John. Thanks for coming. Better hurry up, Pedro. I'm getting hungry. Oh, there we go. Pedro, so Yeah, thanks, Eric. We free's the best way to do it. We all try to help as much as we can. Oh. Just waiting on Pedro. JR, what do you think will be better, doing like Shopify or that Google sites you were talking about?
You know, I've never used either, so I'm not sure. But here, I'll start researching that while we wait on Pedro. What does he want? What are you doing with him?
He just has to ask a question, and I didn't know what he was trying to ask, so I figured he'd just come in here and make it easier.
Gotcha.
Seven followers from 4,700 on Instagram. And we got 140 likes. Holy crap. Wonder if we got more subscribers. Oh, wow.
I think you mean Squarespace, not Shopify, right?
No, Shopify.
Shopify is for selling stuff.
You can make,
Huh?
I thought you can make websites. Someone told me you can make websites on there and sell your stuff.
Yeah, if you have like good. Hold on, let's see.
Yeah. Yep, see you later, Justin. Thanks for coming. See you tomorrow. Yeah. Yeah, Fecko. So, the trade I took earlier, 2% was based off of a 5.5 or 6 pip stop. So, and I closed 10 and 20 pips. So, that's about 10%, but with the commissions, it was about 8.
The way I'm understanding this, it's like for selling like goods, like if you're selling like coffee cups or actual physical items,
Not just like mentorships.
No.
Oh, okay.
I think Squarespace is probably. See, the Google sites is free, and so you probably can't do as many things with it. Probably can't have like a vendor, like if you want to put in like a, for people, a way for people to pay.
Okay. Pedro, you here, bro?
Huh?
Pedro's here. He said he's here.
Is he muted? You muted Pedro? Yeah, he's in here. You gotta unmute yourself, bro.
Yeah.
Oh, he doesn't have a mic.
Oh, damn it. That's what you came in here for. I can read your text on YouTube.
Love it. There he goes. Now, Pedro.
Come on, Pedro. What up? Should be able to call in on your phone. If you don't have a mic, join on your phone. Download the app and join. But do it. Hello?
Can you guys hear me?
Yeah, what up, bro?
Hey, my bad. My bad.
No, you're good. I figured you didn't know how to use it. So what's up? What were you trying to ask?
So it's because I'm in one of the same businesses, and mine's called Mastery Academy.
Okay.
I don't know if you guys have heard about it, but we do I don't know, because of my comment, I didn't mean to insult you or anything, but we do marketing and we sell products.
Okay.
And so I don't know. I assumed that we did something similar to that, so that's why I commented that. And we do foreign exchange. And so with the business that we do, it's like we're pretty much investing our money to make more money,
Yep.
and from that, like, watch, hold on, let me go to my thing real quick. No, so yeah, like, if we were to, let's say, if I were to get more than, because me, I just started like not too long ago, but I've been learning a lot because I thought it was like about the money, but at the same time it's not, because I'm actually like learning a lot about investing and like financial things. So that's something that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
So yeah, yeah.
But-
If I were to get like two people in, I would. Cause you have to. I don't know if you guys pay for the program that you guys are in, because I do. At first, I have to pay $150 at first, and then after that, monthly I pay $175. And if I were to get two people or three in, then I wouldn't have to be paying anymore. So it would be pretty much be free for like the rest of my life.
Yeah, so that's a pyramid scheme. And
Yeah, it's definitely a pyramid
are
scheme.
you talking? Are you an IML?
No, that's what people think too. That it's a pyramid scheme, but it's not.
Where are you?
No.
Are you actually
This
learning?
is the definition of a pyramid scheme.
Yeah, are you actually learning how to trade though from them?
Yeah, I'm actually learning how to trade.
Okay, well, I mean,
The forex trading.
Time out. Is there anything they're teaching you can learn online for free?
I mean, you could learn other things for free, but
No, I'm telling you,
They-
I can promise you that everything they're teaching you, if you went and Googled, you could find for free. I promise you.
yeah, I would recommend stopping paying for that, because you can come to this live stream for free, you can go to the London session for free, and you can go to the New York session for free. And those two, I'm not even gonna include myself, but those two people know 1,000 times more than whoever you're learning from now, and it's free.
There's books for free online. There's an entire Telegram chat that's got thousands of books on it for free. And just saying.
Sorry, go ahead.
And no, I'm just throwing that out there. You know, do what's best for you. But I just, I'd hate to see you pay for something you can get for free.
Yeah, that's gonna be better. 'Cause I've never.
No, yeah, of course. But they said even whenever you pay just a little bit of money, that means like you actually value it. Because whenever you pay something, you actually pay attention more to that thing because you pay for it. So like when people pay for college, they're actually gonna be going to school because they paid for it.
Yeah.
They're not just gonna be with money and not go.
Yeah, that makes sense. But
Yeah, so it's the same thing with this business. Like you're paying monthly as you get 2 or 3 people in, because it's online. It's like college, but trading. Hello?
yeah,
Oh yeah. So did you have any questions about that?
I mean, I thought you came in here to ask me a question, so no, I don't have any interest in it by any means. But I thought you had asked me a question, so I'm not sure.
No, yeah, I do have some questions for you. Like what's the? Cause it's a business, right? What you're doing as well.
Well, I mean, I live stream on here for free every Asian session, and if people want to be like directly coached by me one-on-one, then I do have a private group that I do that for, but that's it. It's just I will sit on Zoom with people one-on-one and coach them, and then they get more direct attention from me instead of just the live stream chat.
What was the name of these people, Pedro?
The academy,
Yeah,
the Master.
Master Academy,
No, the Master E Academy.
Master E Academy. Okay.
Yeah, but like at the end with the Y, Mastery.
Oh, I gotcha.
So yeah, you can go on, look up on your computer or your phone, look it up on Google.
All right.
But I mean, yeah, it's kind of a business, I guess you could say. But there's nothing like, oh, if you join and you bring more people, it's cheaper. Like it's if you want to join, you can join. If someone else wants to join, they can sign up and join. That's it. It's a one-time fee. It's not monthly. It's just one fee, one time, and that's it.
And what is it called?
It doesn't officially have a name, but it's just my mentoring group.
It's I Am Academy, right? Pedro?
Yeah.
IM would be IML then.
Yeah, they are. This is IML.
Yeah.
That's exactly what this is. This is IML.
Yeah, they don't teach you shit.
Yeah, this is IML.
Oh yeah.
Like harmonic. Look, harmonics. You got DeLorean. Steady. Yeah. Gold Cup. Oh yeah, I like this. The Gold Cup. That's nice.
Yeah, that IML was the definition of a pyramid scheme, unfortunately, Pedro.
And how would I join your private session on Zoom?
It's not on Zoom, so the private session actually, I'm on this app called Discord now. It's a private group on there, but then you get access to these live streams as well. If you just message me on Instagram, oh, you already did.
Yeah.
I'll just send you. So like I said, it's a one-time fee, and then you're in, and that's it. And then you get 2 to 4 hours a week of like direct one-on-one coaching with me. But I do require you to put the work in. So if you're not sending me any charts all week, and you think I'm gonna sit on Zoom with you on a Saturday for 2 hours, it's not gonna happen. You're sending me charts every day. You're putting the time in. Yeah, you'll get 2 to 4 hours, all the time you need. You'll get, but if you're not putting in the work, I'm not going to go out of my way to give you my time. Is kind of the thing.
No, yeah, of course you got to put in the work. Yeah.
Yep. Yeah, but if you're putting in the work, I mean, you have 24/7 access to me, so.
All right, that's cool.
Yeah, but I'll message you on Instagram the info, and if you want to join, you can. If you want to stay where you are, I mean, that's up to you.
I'm glad you came by.
Yep. Yeah, it was nice to meet you, bro. I mean, we might work together in the future, but good luck to you if we don't.
No, yeah, I'm looking forward to working with you, honestly.
Yeah, awesome.
That's something I'm interested in.
Yeah, good deal.
I just sent you the price of it, so if you're still interested, I can tell you more details, but I'm going to call it a night, guys. I will see you all tomorrow. Thanks for coming, and we'll get some